what drives me nuts. Do you see like that one curl that's just like, not, it's just, no. No!
Buongiorno and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to play with some glitter. So I picked up the glitter eye quads from Target. These are from Pixi. And we will do a demo and swatches and see, you know, I'll kind of tell you my opinions and thoughts on these, but I'm super excited about them. So let's go ahead and dive into this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before we get started. I really appreciate each one of you guys. So join the family and hit that notification bell. I do upload at least 3 to 4 times a week. So spend some time with me. And let's go ahead and jump into this video. Okay, so we're gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette just to kind of put something in the crease, but I really want the glitter to stand out, so I don't want to do anything too difficult. I just want to focus on the glitter. So let's go ahead. We're going to take this shade here. I still wish this thing had names, my gosh. But yeah, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette, probably just a whole bunch of the neutrals. So just know that. I did get 2 of these palettes. One is the Blue Pearl and the other is Gold Lava. So this is what they look like. And I will do swatches of everything after we are done playing around on the eyes. But yeah, I just want to get this glitter on. So I already have my eyes primed with some concealer. I still want the P. Louise base, but I just can't pull the trigger for like the shipping and stuff. I'm just kind of like, I'm going to wait on that. I don't know. Okay, and then I am going to go in with that creamsicle shade. I think I'm going to use the blues today, which is surprising because I'm not usually a blue girl. But for today, I was like, I want to use the bright glitters the most. I did actually leave my house this weekend, so I did wear one of the shades. That way I could give you guys like my actual opinion, because I feel like sometimes with glitters, they look super nice when you first apply them, and then like a few hours later, like your whole face is covered in glitter, and it's just not a good look, and you're like, what was I thinking? So I wanted to see if it actually like stayed on the eye, if it transferred, all that stuff. So I will definitely talk about that at the end. But yeah, I was proud of myself that I actually did makeup for once, not just for YouTube. And I actually was like, okay, I'm gonna try this out and actually go out of the house. Okay, I'm just gonna darken it up a little bit, deepen it up a little bit. My gosh, though, you guys. So we started watching Blacklist this weekend, which I've never watched. If you ruin the show for me, I will not be your friend. Like, I hate it when people tell you the ending of shows when I'm just like, or like, you know, big details of who dies. Oh, I get so mad. It's like my biggest pet peeve. So we just started. We're in season 1. I'm sure we'll be caught up sooner than I'd care to admit as far as how much we watch shows. But so far, I really, really like it. I was surprised. And then I've been watching, I turned on the Neverland thing, the Michael Jackson thing this morning. I'm not gonna lie, it spoiled my mood a lot. Like, I don't know. I don't know, guys. What did you think? Did you watch it? Are you going to watch it? I kind of just thought it was gonna be, I mean, I knew what it was gonna be, but like, when you hear it, it's hard to think that like that didn't happen. You know what I mean? Like I kind of, with the parents, I'm just kind of like, why did you not think it was weird that your 7-year-old was going to sleep with a grown man? Like, it felt like the parents were starstruck and they just didn't care about the best interests of their kids. Don't kill me for saying that, but I'm kind of just like, why would you think that that was a normal thing to do? You know? I think they just like got caught up in like, it's Michael Jackson, so it's all gonna be great, and stuff like that ruins shows for me. Like, or not shows, but like people, you know? Like, I used to love House of Cards, and then the whole Kevin Spacey thing, and even now, if I watch an old movie I used to like with him in it, I can't watch it anymore. Like, it's tainted now, and I'm just like, stay away. Okay, I'm gonna deepen up that a little bit further. I'm gonna grab the deep brown, and just deepen up the crease in that outer corner just a little bit. And then we will put on the glitter. So like I said, I haven't really tried Pixi products. I've wanted to, but sometimes I'm just like, they're like a high-end drugstore. So sometimes when it's an in-between price, I kind of just am like, well, I'll just spend an extra $10 and get high-end. So I don't know. Now though, I'm kind of all in it. I will say. So I'm happy I gave Pixi a shot. But let me know what your Pixi products favorites are. I haven't been able to find those highlighters anymore, and You guys know I have an extensive highlighting collection, so I didn't really need it. But I did pick up some eyeliner, so I think tomorrow I'll do like a full face of like affordable makeup and maybe play with these glitters a little bit more, because there are, I think there's like 8 colors. So we have some, we have a lot. And I could wear glitter every day and it could brighten up my day, not gonna lie. Okay, so I will say, so this is what it looks like close up. So freaking pretty. I think these go best with a finger. The only problem is my fingers are pretty fat, so I kind of, you know, if I get some in the crease, I'll blend it out after, but that's why I'm not too worried about my blend right now, because I know I'll have to go back in, you know, just is how it is. I wish I had cute, like, little girl dainty fingers, but instead mine are like Gerber baby size. It is what it is. But yeah, look at that pigment. Like, it's freaking gorgeous. So we're going to pat that on. I'm gonna leave the inner corner pretty blank because I want to go in with that white. Look at that freaking glitter. But kind of like I said, even though I'm focusing it on like the lower part, it still is transferring into the crease. But this is without a glitter glue or anything. I actually don't even have a glitter glue. I need to get one. But I used it the other day, like I said, and it was fine without a glitter glue. So I'm okay with, I feel like this is so much easier than having to use a glitter glue that I'm like really happy about it. I'm gonna take a different finger and go in with the white. Actually, it's not white. It's almost like a pearlescent shade, like it's got purple for sure mixed in there. Some of these are a little chunkier than others, so hopefully I don't get like too, there's some fallout. Like you guys can see like the little flakes, but it's not as bad as it could be for sure. I kind of wish it was a little bit white. I thought it was gonna be white, but still very pretty. But yeah, you guys can see how that goes on. And then I'll just take another brush and pick up a little bit more of that creamsicle shade I already used in the crease and just like buff it out so the glitter isn't like all over my lid. But to me, if a few like little flakes transfer, it's okay. I used to really love I still do, like the Stila Glitter and Glow, because those are so nice and easy. You don't have to use a base with it. But I've noticed that I don't wear glitter every day, you know what I mean? So they went bad super fast. So I'm kind of disappointed because now when I like swatch them, you could just tell like they're old and crusty. So, and they're $24 a piece. And this thing is 4 colors for $14. So, all right, so I'm gonna go in with this brown liner from Marc Jacobs. This is Brownie. And then I'm gonna pick up that deep brown shade that we used. And then I'm gonna really buff that out with the creamsicle shade. Okay, I'm gonna put some liner and some lashes, not lashes. I'm gonna put mascara on, and then we will do swatches and talk about all these. What do you guys think so far though? I'm in love, in love. Okay, so I did want to see what it looked like with a brush. I'm gonna grab a little tiny brush. We're gonna dip into this deep blue shade and see if that works or not. The only thing is these things don't have a mirror, which it's okay, I can get over that, but it's worth noting. So it packs on fine with a brush as well. I just feel like you're gonna get more fallout with a brush. That could just be me. I prefer to use my fingers with stuff like this, but it's good to know that it picks up with a brush in case you're sanitary and normal, I guess. I mean, my fingers are clean, but I know some people really don't like going on with a brush, but I do feel like you get more fallout. Like it's not as precise as it was with my finger. Do you guys actually use glitter glues? Like, I don't know, it just sounds like a pain. Like I'm just kind of like, nah. Okay. That's a really pretty color though. Ooh, okay. All right, I'm gonna wipe off the brush. What I mean by that is I'm just gonna kind of swirl it around because I forgot my paper towel or it's on the floor. I'm gonna grab that second shade of the palette, that cream shade, and just pop that right there to finish off the look. Okay, I'm gonna grab a big brush and just kind of go over my face just to see if I can get, like you can see, I mean, there's not much glitter fallout at all. If you look really closer, there's a few specks, but nothing like crazy. Like, I love my makeup today, and this literally would take me like 5 minutes to do. I really only use like these few shades, this darker shade, the creamsicle, and that brown. There we go. But that's the only shades I use for this whole eye look. So, and then obviously the glitters. So let's go ahead and go into swatches. This is the Blue Pearl palette, the top 4 colors, and then the bottom 4 is the lava one. So as you can see, they are definitely glitters. They are not pressed pigments, they're glitter. But this is going with my finger without wetting them. You can wet it. Sometimes I feel that when you wet a glitter, you don't get to see all the dimension in it. It just kind of packs it really tightly on there. So I personally would rather just go in with a finger. And like I said, I mean, I don't have that much fallout just going in with a finger, and I feel like it worked great. So I don't want to do the whole glitter glue thing. I'm like, that's too much of a process. I'm scared I'm gonna like glue my eye shut. It would happen to me. Like, let's just be honest. Like, mistakes for me are generally bad. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I think that these are gorgeous. There is one more palette. I decided not to go get that one just because I was like, let's start with 2 and see how this goes and see what I think. But after wearing it, I wear it for about 6 hours on Saturday night. I don't know why my voice is like super shaky. I have to go to work soon, so I feel like I'm like rushing, and I'm just like, get it done. And maybe because I had a lot of coffee. That could be it too. Yeah. Let's not talk about my coffee addiction though today. But yeah, these are $14. I didn't get fallout throughout the night when I wore it on Saturday. It was more like when I took it off, like taking it off with, I think I did like my Neutrogena like oil-free remover, and that's kind of when it like transferred into my eyebrows and like everywhere else. But yeah, it didn't transfer throughout the night wearing it just on my eyes. So I think that these are amazing. Like, I'm super impressed by Pixi in these. I think that I couldn't find them in store. Like I said, you have to order them online, but for 14 bucks a piece, whereas compared to like the Stila one, $24, and it dries out. And you get 4 colors in each of these. So I will probably definitely reach for this one more than this one. You guys know I love my neutrals. So I think tomorrow we'll do a full face of affordable makeup, and maybe I'll use like one of the golds. But I got so many compliments on my makeup. This is such an easy way to do glitter. If that is, no, that's like my alarm. I gotta go. It's my mama. She called me a lot. But it does transfer a little bit into your crease. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I did have to like really go in there with a blending brush. If it doesn't bother you, I don't think it's that big of a deal if a few little glitter specks go up there. It's not the end of the world, people, you know? So I think that these are an amazing option. What are your opinions? Have you guys picked these up? Like, I think I'm now going to be addicted to Pixi. Like, I'm super impressed by this. So yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and review. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so that you are notified when I upload. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.